Hi guys, and welcome back to another edition of TCW TV. Delhi's just figured out that the Eurotunnel is actually a train, so yes, we do get on the train with the car. So we're going to be heading over to Germany, and we're going to be testing out the Nürburgring with the GP3. So we just made a quick pit stop. We're in Gent at the moment, so we've done a few hours in the GP. Very smooth. I know it's a race spec, but it has been very, well, surprisingly comfortable. There's Adele. How was your journey over from England on that magical train that brings the car over?
Sure.
Okay, so like I said, we're here in Gent. Here's the GP. Looking nice, just got it clean this morning. Ready for the Nürburgring. And I've got to say, the European service stations are so much better than the UK ones. I don't know if anyone else agrees with me, but you've not, obviously you can see there you've got the Burger King in there, but we've just had the amazing, like a deli, so a deli box where you can put all your own stuff in. Amazing grub, amazing food, and a little bit healthier than just getting a Burger King. That's it now, we're all refueled. We've had our deli box, and now we're going to head off to, where are we going now? We're going to pit stop somewhere nice before Adele's looked at a nice route. So we're going to go down there first, hopefully some nice roads to run down, and we'll get some nice pictures as well. See you soon. So we finally arrived in Nuremberg. We took a little bit of a detour. We went through the Eifel National Park, which is absolutely beautiful. If you guys are coming to Nürburgring, you've got to take a little bit of a detour. So it's down the 258 through the Eifel National Park. Absolutely beautiful and stunning views all the way through, and some nice windy roads for you to test the car on as well. So tonight we're going to go and have a beer, we're going to rest ourselves and get ourselves ready for Nürburgring tomorrow. Good morning guys, we're up bright and early this morning. It is a very crisp and beautiful morning here in Nürburgring. We want to get over to the track early today because we want to get out there before the crazy kids get out. So let's head over to the Nürburgring now. So we're down here at the Nürburgring now. We've just drove past the F1 paddocks. It is very eerily quiet, obviously with the COVID stuff at the moment. It's quite surreal actually, driving past all the F1 stuff. But we're about to head out on the track now. The GT3 is just heading off. Let's follow him onto the track now. Here we go, we're going out on the track for the first time. We've got the GT3 RS in front of us. Let's see if we can keep up with him. We'll see. Is the corners here?
There's a corner.
So we're just down here on Brunchen Corner. I've done my first couple of laps out in the GP3. I'm not gonna lie, I cacked myself. I lost it on one of the corners. We held it together, so the car's back in one piece, but it wasn't the prettiest, so I tiptoed round after that, a little bit nervous. We are gonna go out for a third lap, so hopefully I'll do a little bit better, and hopefully I'll do the GP proud on the next lap out there. Let's have a look at some of these bad boys. So here we go, we're just heading out. Let's see what we can do. So, very wet day. As I've said, so I'm not sure what the car's going to be doing. We'll see what we can do. Let's get some rally down, a bit slippy. Don't know this track, so let's follow the car in front, see what happens. Woo. Let's see what we do here. Come in this corner, come wide. Tiptoeing around at the moment. It's sticking though, as normal as you'd expect from this. Just want to get these tyres warm though. Whoa! Nearly went then. Myself. That was it, that was our final lap, a much better lap I must say. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We're just going to go and check out some more of the cars on the track now, and then we're going to head over to Nuremberg Castle and have a look at that. So as well as doing all the car stuff, I do like to get out every now and again and do a bit of sightseeing. So we're here at Nürburgring Castle, absolutely beautiful, stunning views. You can see out to the Formula 1 track where they're doing the qualifying today, and you can also see all the way out to the Nürburgring where we've been as well. Beautiful place. Make sure you get up here if you come over. It's all about the racetrack.
Nürburgring bins.
Nürburgring bins. this bad boy for a view. We've got the turrets, got the beautiful countryside. You can hear the cars in the distance, or maybe you can't if the microphone's not picking it up. What a cracking day. Been out on the Nürburgring, been over to the Formula 1 track for the qualifying, and now we're checking out these views up on the Nürburgring castle. Sexy bomb. Some great views here in Nürburgring. So that's it for another day. We've had an amazing day down here at the Nürburgring. The GP3 has been amazing. I've not been so amazing, unfortunately, so I do apologise for my driving. But we end the day today at the top of Nürburgring Castle with these stunning views. If you have a quick look, absolutely amazing. So over here you've got the Formula 1 track. I believe they're still doing qualifying at the moment. Not sure if you can see it in the distance. All the way around, there's Delhi. Hiya. And then all the way over to the Nürburgring where we've been today. Absolutely beautiful. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed watching this video as much as we've enjoyed making it. Make sure that you guys like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon.